If your car's rear mirror looks a little lonely, you are in the right place. We all know that new car smell is great, but nothing beats that handmade cozy vibe. Today I am talking through you 20 plus genius ideas, crochet planters charms idea that will turn your dashboard into a literal floating garden. Whether you are a seasoned hook pro or just looking for some itsy inspo, stick around because the last design in this video is total game changer for plant lovers who can't keep calm real succulents alive. Use a slightly stiffer cotton yarn for the vines so they don't stretch out over time. First up we have the classic. You can go wrong with string of pearls. It's the ultimate car charm because those little green bubbles look so satisfying when they bounce. Using a slightly stiffer cotton yarn for the vines so that don't stretch out over time for the heat in your car. If you have going for a boho chic look and try a mini hanging fern in a cream called macrame style basket. It's timeless, elegant and best of all it never needs watering. Now let's add some colors. If you want your call to feel like a permanent springtime, crochet sunflowers are the best friends. They bright so much and lights to the interior. Also check out the mini cactus. I love seeing these in tiny terracotta color crochet pots. Style note, don't be afraid to add a drop of essential oils to the soil part of your crochet plants. It acts as a natural diffuser. So your car smells like lavender or citrus while looking adorable. It's cute and functional. For those who like things a little more unique, let's talk about the mushroom and monsteras. Amanita mushroom, the red ones with white spots, are huge right now. They are perfect color touch. Or if you are feeling a bit edgy, why not Venus flytrap charm? It's conversation starter for sure. These designs usually are more complex stitches but pay off its tiny piece art swinging right in your line of sight. And there you have it, from the tiny tulip to bouncy bee. There is a crochet plant for every